Listen, y'all ready to take y'all bacon cheeseburger game to the next level? This is the video for you. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a bacon cheeseburger casserole. Man, you're gonna love it. Get in the kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, we're gonna do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. Not many ingredients. Typically, everything you use to make a hamburger or a bacon cheeseburger. So back here we have our ground beef. Of course, we use some bacon. Got that mozzarella cheese here, cheddar cheese, chopped garlic, ketchup, mayo, some onions, mustard. We have a seasoning blend here. You can use salt and pepper, paprika, whatever of your choosing, but I have a seasoned blend here. Here's some W sauce, pickles, and right here we have some crescents. I guess that's how you say it. But this is the 8-ounce packaging. That's all you're gonna need. Let's get to it. All right, we're gonna start off by heating up a skillet. I'm gonna add a little lard here just to get it going. You can use olive oil if you want, but I always like to add a little oil to get my pan going. And as that pan heats up, we're gonna add our bacon. Guys, I love bacon, so I'm adding probably a little bit more bacon than most people will use. Plus, I'm gonna use some for the topping also. But we're gonna get this going, cook it until it's meaty and slightly crispy for me. I know some people like crunchy bacon. I like it with a little crunch, but I like a little of that meat too. I like to tear into that meat part of it. All right, so it looks like our bacon is at least where I like it. I'm gonna pause our heat. We're gonna get it removed. And once we remove it, we're gonna come back over to our cooktop. All right, so we're gonna unpause our heat. We're gonna reserve about a tablespoon of that bacon grease to continue cooking our ground beef. So we're gonna add it. And we're gonna cook it till it's brown, breaking it up as we go through. We're gonna get this seasoned with a little of our season blend. All right, so it looks like we're good on our ground beef. We're just gonna pause our heat now. We're gonna drain the excess fat and we're gonna come back. So we're gonna unpause our heat now, add our onions and our garlic, and we're gonna let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes till the onions are translucent and you get that, that garlic fragrance. All right, so we're about 3 minutes in. We're gonna go in with our ketchup. We're gonna save like a tablespoon of that ketchup, our mustard, and our W sauce. And we're gonna get that mixed in like this. I'm gonna take 1/4 of our bacon. I'm gonna add it here. And once we get it well combined, we're gonna turn off our heat. We're gonna remove our pan. Let's head over to our cutting board where we have our bacon dish so we can get our casserole assembled. All right, so the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your crescent dough roll, you're gonna unroll it. I let it thaw just a little bit too much, but we're still gonna make it work. You're just gonna press that down at the bottom of the pan. We're still gonna make this baby work. Even if we gotta piece this baby together, we gonna make it work. Guys, as you can see, the bottom is covered. That's what we're looking for. Make sure you press it up against the sides like this. And now we're just gonna take our hamburger mixture and we're gonna spread that out evenly out on our dough. Next, we're gonna take our cheeses, both mozzarella and the cheddar, and we're gonna add it to the top like this. Now we're gonna take our mayo and a tablespoon of ketchup, and we're gonna get it mixed up, and we're gonna add it here over the top like this. And we're gonna get it spread over the top. And you wanna try to do it as evenly as possible. Just like that. And we're gonna top this without bacon. And guys, I'm about to pull an audible. Guess what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna try this out. I had some fries in my freezer. I'm just gonna lay those babies over the top of them like that too. So we can have bacon cheeseburger casserole with fries. I know y'all gonna say, this guy's crazy. Just put a couple fries over there like that. Let's see how that works out. And I'm gonna take some of our seasoned blend, and I'm just gonna sprinkle it over the top like this. All right, guys, so I have this oven already preheated to 375 degrees. We're gonna let this baby cook for 25 to 30 minutes till that cheese is melted, bubbly, and those fries are cooked all the way through now. Let's get that baby in the oven. And this is what we have after having it in the oven 30 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and go over to our cutting board, add some final toppings, and then we're gonna jump into quality control. We'll first get it plated up and then jump into quality control. All right, to finish this up, we're gonna add our pickles. And pickles is optional. If you don't eat pickles, just makes it look a little purty. And of course, we're gonna hit that with some of that fresh green stuff also. There you have it, bacon cheeseburger casserole. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a taste test. We gotta taste this baby. Man, it look good. Y'all already know this is a favorite part of the show, quality control. We're gonna bring that bacon cheeseburger casserole to the front of the congregation, dog. Man, the addition of those fries, I think we put it over the top with them addition of those fries, man. What y'all think? What y'all think? Put it over the top with the addition of those fries. Oh man, look at, oh man. Y'all already know cheesy. Oh man. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. Oh man, that's what I'm talking about. Oh man. Then you got the croissant or the crescent that's acting as the bun. Oh man. The only thing I would do different, I cut back on the mayo that I spread across. I wouldn't put that much mayo on it. I'm not a fan of mayo on my hamburgers. Now I like mayo on like sandwiches, but my hamburgers, I'm not a fan of it. So if I would have put a little light mayo just to kind of just keep it from drying out a little bit or just to have that little taste. I wouldn't have put that much mayo on it. But still, folks who like mayo, they're gonna love it. Fire, go. Tune in. Y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, not chef, just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.